Hi guys, Sean here. With the release of NuWave 8.96, we have a new tool at our disposal. It's called the Detection Calculator, and it can be found under the Utilities tab. The Detection Calculator will produce the MDC 1, 2, and 3 of ASTM 6348 and the MAU FMU of method 320. How it works is we'll load in our method here. We want to analyze. This tree will populate with each of our compounds in our method. We can click through to view all of them with the quant regions and interference regions only shown. If we double click on a particular compound, we can see a breakdown of each individual reference that comprises that calibration, with the ppm meters displayed on the left of the tree and the RMS absorbance shown within the quant region of interest highlighted here by this region item. If we click over to MDC1 MAU1, MDC1 and MAU1 are a measurement of the system noise. So typically we would use a zero gas absorbance spectra for this analysis. I'm measuring an FTIR, so I'm looking at a nitrogen spectra. I'll load in my nitrogen spectra. Here again I see all of my compounds in my method. As I click through, I can see where the quant regions are highlighted, and I have to the side of it a measurement of the RMS noise within that quant region. Down below I have a summary of results of MDC1 per compound per spectra. If I click on this button in the top left that says MDC1, I can toggle between the MDC1 and the MAU result. MDC2 is a measurement of the algorithm error, so typically you would use a spectra that contains all the interference that you would expect in your test matrix, but not necessarily any of the analytes of interest. Typically we would use something like an ambient air spectra for this. So here I've loaded in some ambient air spectra. Again, I can click through my method list here to see the quant regions and to look at the RMS noise within those quant regions. Because I have multiple spectra for this measurement, I can click on this top bar and I can toggle through and view each individual spectra. And I highlight all of the rows again, the per compound per spectra below. MDC3 FMU3 is a measurement of the residual spectra after quantification. So I have loaded in an absorbance spectra. The method has automatically kicked in and created these residual spectra, which is what we will measure. Again, I can step through and view the RMS noise of the residual spectra in these quant regions. And again, below I have a breakdown of my MDC3 per compound per spectra. If I click on this top left corner, again, I can toggle between MDC3 and FMU. Back to the summary tab, MDC1, MAU, MDC3, and FMU are all results of the average of each individual measurement on their respective pages, while MDC2 is 3 times the RMS of all the information here as per the ASTM 6348. If I right click on this table, I can copy all of these results to the clipboard, and I can paste them into my spreadsheet or text editor. Again, this has been a NuWave tutorial. Thanks for watching.